So here I am with another strange situation inside of a portable, or not a portable, but a storage space. And it had been rented, but the renters went into the other space. So we need to fix it. And we're going to do that by putting panels on this side. And we're fastening it back there where James is putting it, and he's not putting it in the right place. But we're going to go 4 inches from that edge over, and then we're going to end up putting J channel right here. Okay, so we'll let you see as we go along what's going to happen. Now we cut the height, so I have J channel on both ends, no raw edges for somebody to cut their hands on or bump into and cut themselves with the metal, because the metal is pretty sharp. You could hurt your furniture or something. And I've cut myself on that stuff, so we're going to fix it where that doesn't happen by putting a J channel on both ends. And we'll lay the metal down. James has been talking about building a metal building, storage building, portable, movable one. So maybe I'll do that in the future. I've done it a couple times, some 25 years ago, but I'll do it again. Show you guys how I did it. All right, bye. So even though this 4-inch, exactly 4-inch beam right there, I can't get 4 inches without being right up against that. That would cause a conflict with the garage door. So I'm making it 3.5. Well, that means I'll have to bend the metal just a little bit to get it in. And they didn't give me self-tapping screws, which I didn't ask for, but generally they have. But I can still deal with that. What I'm using is a 1/8 drill bit, and I marked that 3.5 with a J channel. We'll put a few more in there and to get that J channel right, and then we'll bring you in when we start doing everything else. All right, so I marked where the middle of this beam was with a pencil. So if I used a marker, it would be kind of permanent on the concrete, but we're kind of bent it in there, and it's trying to bow out the other, but we're going to get it all straightened out. But first I'm going to put a hole here. See if I can find the screw gun. All right, and we'll do that with 2 more. The one will have to notch around that Z channel up there, and then we'll take you along when we do the J on the end and fasten that. See you in a minute. All right, so now we're fastened back there and here. I'll measure up to that bottom of that Z channel there. And it's 28 3/4 inches to the bottom of it, with allowing it to lap over here. 28 7/8. But check it out. Go from that lap. 28 5/8. 20.5 is right there. So what do you say we just cut that metal right on that edge? Now, I could take a razor knife. I have shears. I have multiple kinds of ways to cut. I can cut with cutting shears that I have. I can cut with a grinder wheel that I have. But I'm going to end up using a razor knife. And we'll see how good I am at that. If not, I can use electric shears, but we'll see. I'll cut with the razor knife, well, not razor knife, snips right here, and encourage it to break there on both sides. And maybe we'll encourage it a little bit